Hello guys, you're all welcome to another wonderful section with me. Today we are going to continue our Canva tutorial. Yes, we are going to be designing a simple flyer, a simple sales flyer using Canva. So all of this will be done with your phone. So just follow me. I'm using my laptop, but it's the same process. So once you launch the Canva app on your phone or your laptop, whichever you're using, this is exactly what you see. So what you would do is click on the plus sign, the plus icon. But in my case, I'm using a laptop, so I'm going to see create a design. So it's the same thing. Just click on that plus sign with the red. Click on it. It's going to bring up where to choose the size of what you want to design. Let's just use Instagram post. So we're going to create an Instagram post, a simple sales flyer. That is what we want to design. So the first thing I want to do is to bring in the background I want to use for this design. So what do I do? Go to uploads and they bring up this for you. Of course, I already have them. I want to show you how I imported them. This is the background I actually want to use. So go to upload media. It takes you to your gallery. Then try to locate the background you want to use. This is the background we are using for this design today. So I'm going to open it and it's going to load. Give it some time to load up. Once it's done loading, you click on it and then it will click on it and then it will appear in your document space. Now, once it's here, what I want to do is to spread this background so that it fills the entire space. And once you're done with that, you lock it up. Well, what I want to design, or what I want us to design, is just a sales flyer for a shoe, for this shoe you're seeing here. So it's like a black Jumia Friday sale, the Black Friday sale of Jumia. Of course, we're not going to be putting Jumia. Maybe we'll have a personal shop, or sell this in our shop, or sell this online. I want to just design a flyer for it. So that's in the background. But we're talking about a Friday sale. So this background is bluish. So I would darken this background. How would I do it? I'll bring up a shape and then put an overlay it on the front of this background. Now, what do I mean? Go to elements, then type square. Type square, you see the option here, it pops up. Then select the square. I'll select this plain one and boom, it's in my document space. Take it to the edge, stretch it all over the document, spread it all over the document. Change the color, go to where you have color, change the color to black. Beautiful. And once you're done with that, you come to transparency. So just scroll down your phone, you see where you have transparency, click on it, and then let's reduce the transparency a little, so that it will be kind of dark and beautiful. So I want this dark background. This is fine. This is beautiful. Okay, let's lighten it up a little. Okay, I think we should go with this. So once we are done with this, we want to lock it so that it will not move. So we have our background set. The next thing I want to do is to bring in the image I want to use for this design. So go to uploads and then you go to upload media. Then locate your shoe. Then I click on it and then I select that. So once I select that, it loads. Immediately after loading, just tap on it and then it appears on your document space. So I'm going to make this very big. Make this big and then put it in position, let's say here. Okay, so just find a perfect position for it. And once you have a perfect position for it, you're good to go. You can now lock it. I usually like locking these things once I'm done with them. So click on it and then we can lock it. Just click on lock and it is locked. You can no longer move it. The next thing I want to do is to start putting my text. So I come over here, locate where you have text, click on text, and then add a heading. So let's say the first thing we want to write is black. Good. I'll make this bold a little, black, and then take it up. Let's take this up. I'm going to rotate this a little. I just want it to be slanted a little. Okay, this is beautiful. So the next thing I want to do is to change the font. So go to where you have fonts and then change this font. Which font do I use? Okay, let me use this. Beautiful. It's already bolding. So I'm going to try to arrange this properly. Okay, so I'll bring in the next text, Black Friday. So I duplicate this, duplicate. So you have duplicate somewhere here. So if you're using your phone, just go to where you have duplicate and then duplicate this. Then you type Friday, Black Friday. Good. Make this to be on a straight line and then position it well. Now I want to bring in a red background. I want this Friday to be on a red background. So I'll go to my elements, then pick this square again and then do something like this. Make it red. Let's maintain the red and the white color for this design. That's the only color we'll be using. Okay, I'll tilt it this way, slant it, take it up. I just want the Friday to be on it. Rotate it a little so that it will be on the same line. Beautiful, beautiful. So this is fine. Take it up. Can make this smaller. Make this smaller a little. Okay. So just try, take your time, arrange it such a way that you'll be okay with them. It's not okay the way I want. So I'll just have to move this. So you can use the nudge tool on your phone to move this. Instead of moving it, try to move it with your hands. Use the nudge tool and move it around. It's easier that way. Let's make this black a little bigger. Good. Let's take this down. This young man should also beautiful. I think it's perfect like this. It's perfect like this. So the next thing I want to do is put this Friday up here. Put this young man up there. Try it in the middle. Okay, and we are good to go. So I'll duplicate duplicate duplicate, and then put the next right up, offer, Black Friday offer. Beautiful. Then I'll just make this small. Make this small. Okay. Let me just add another visit to it. You can come to this element, come to this place. I'll just put a line under that square box there. So just click on line. Of course, because I've already used this shape, that's why I have these shapes. I have the line. I could just come here and click on the line, but I want to let you know how you can get these things. Just come to this search bar under elements, click on line, and automatically it will bring up the various line you have in Canva. So I just type this and then the line goes to my workspace. So I'll try to put this in position. I want it to be just under this. I want it to be here. Okay, then I hold this edge, then stretch it, make sure it's on a straight line. Can also do this with a shape. Can do this with a shape. Just make the shape smaller. Okay, so you just have to take your time. Good. Leave this out just in case you're having difficulty doing this. You can just leave this out. Or let's try doing this with the shape. Let me delete this. So I'll just delete. Let's try doing this with a square shape. So I go over to my elements and then pick a square. Let's see how easy it will be using a square to achieve this. So I rotate it. I rotate this. rotate again. Beautiful. Then I can make this small as possible. This is the smallest size. Okay, let's just leave that. Let's just leave that. So that is it. Black Friday offer. Take this offer up to beautiful. So next thing I want to do is to bring up another write up here. So I go to text. Let's use a sub heading. Let's say order now. Order now. So I want this order now to be somewhere here. So before then, I'll bring in a shape. Go to element, bring in a shape. The shape should have a red background like this. Bring this shape to this position. You can just make it smaller a little. Make it smaller. Okay, too big. So I'll just chop it a little. I think this is cool. Then you can put your order now here. Make it smaller. Go to the size, and then make this smaller. Reduce. Okay, order now. So the next thing is to put the phone number or the WhatsApp number. So I want to get a WhatsApp icon. How do I get that? You don't have to go download this. Canva has it for you already. So just come to this search bar, search for WhatsApp. Once you search on WhatsApp already, you see the suggestion is there, and then you select any of the icons you want. Make it smaller, and then bring it to the position you want. Good. I think I like this size. So try to centralize it. Okay. So the next thing is go to text and let's put our number. Let's use a subheading this time. So I'll put my number plus 234 806604 724. Okay. So you just drag the number to this position. You can reduce the size. Can reduce the size. Can reduce the size. I hope you're enjoying this, guys. I'm enjoying myself. Designing can be so sweet. It's just like you're having fun. I'm having fun already. Okay, take this off. I think we are good to go, but we need to bring this icon closer. WhatsApp icon. So just take your time to put these things in their proper positions. That's what will make your design come out really well. Okay, what else? Let's put something like a splash sale here or a 50% discount, something like that. Okay, so go to your elements, type price tag, or once you type tag to come out, the Canva is so sensitive. Just type tag and you see price tag is out. So we are going to see so many price tag here. Some of them, of course, are premium. So anyone you see with this crown, just run for your life because you will pay for it, except you have the money to pay. Of course, I won't advise you to pay for any of these things. You can get any of these things free of charge. Go to Google and download them. But I have something to use here. See, this is very fine. I love this, but I can't pay for it. So let's go down. I think there's something I could use. There's something I could use. I've been using. It has been working. All I want to write is good. Let's use this rough star edges. Okay, so I make this smaller. Bring it to this somewhere here, and then make it white. So just go to the two colors, change this to white. Click on this again, change it to white. Then put in a text, 50% off heading. 50% off. Okay. So make the color red. Increase the space between them. So come to this line spacing. Let's reduce the line spacing so that it will be close to the 50%, not be far apart. Okay, I think this is cool. Then we can now bring this here. Reduce the size. Reduce the size. So you notice that the more you reduce the size, the more the spacing. Okay. Just make this to fit in that small space there. Okay, let's just reduce this a little. Beautiful. So once you have a perfect position for it, then you're good to go. Okay, so 50% off Black Friday offer, 50% off order now. We are done with this design. But if you just want to put some fizzy to it again, one more thing I would just like to do so that it just looks some kind of techy. What do I do? What do I do? Okay, let's just put a circle somewhere here, a red circle. So just go to elements, click, type and circle. So I'm doing these designs as if I'm doing it for a client. So that is exactly what you have to do, put in your best work. This is a pro version, don't allow me to use it. There will be watermark on it if I use it, so I'll delete this. Okay, let's use this. I can still achieve what I want to achieve. So I'll just go to the transparency, reduce it a little. I just want it to be very faint. Beautiful, beautiful. Then take this somewhere here, just want that flash. Duplicate this, bring the second one here. See what I'm doing? I'm just playing around. Anyway, don't mind me. We are done with this design a long time ago. Just playing around. So take this to back. Take this to back. Go to position to back. Good. So it's behind the shoe now. So you see, that's added another touch of beauty to it. So that is it, guys, for our sales flyer for today. I hope you had fun. So of course, the next thing to do is to save your work and then submit your project. I'm going to give you the resources I used. I'm going to give you the background and the item I used for this design. So guys, save your work and I'll see you in the next class. Bye.